This is the Beatles Sgt Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band Wagon. As with all the other Beatles wagons, it comes in this black cardboard packaging with the Beatles on the top and on the right hand of the front, as well as having Hornby at the bottom right and double oogauge model railways at the bottom left. If we have a look at the side here, you'll be able to see it is R60008, the Beatles Sgt Pepper long wheelbase van. So let's take a look inside. So as with the other three wagons, this has what I would call the railroad packaging. We have the basic cardboard box with a vacuum formed packaging on the inside to hold the model. There is a piece of film there to protect the actual model's paintwork whilst it's inside the vacuum form. Put that one side. So here we have the wagon. This wagon includes metal wheels, large D-shaped couplings that are riveted onto the one-piece chassis, and on the top we have got the wagon body itself with a bright yellow roof, bright red body, and you can see here, looking at the artwork, this is wonderfully printed so sharp onto the side of the bodywork. So both sides are identical in the print and paintwork, as you can see there. So both ends of the wagon are just moulded detail. There's no print work on the ends. Plastic buffers. There's a certain amount of detail on the chassis. That could be picked out if you wanted to do that, but personally, although I will run these around the layout, these will also be more for display purposes. So this is the Sgt Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band wagon. This is one of 4 that was announced in January of 2021 and are now available. Other than the Sgt Pepper's wagon, they have the Help wagon, the Magical Mystery Tour wagon, and the Yellow Submarine wagon. I've done videos on all 4 wagons, so if you want to have a look at them, there'll be links across the top of the screen. I've also put a link in the description there for if you want to click on it, which will take you straight to the Hornby website, and it will take you to all 4 of the wagons and any other Beatles related Hornby items that are available. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, click on the round button. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch some more, there's another video at the top of the screen and there's a playlist at the bottom. See you again soon.